Looking for the best solar panels in Australia? Stick around for our top 15 picks. Let's dive into our first pick, the LG Neon R, with a 25-year product warranty included. Next, we have the Rec Alpha series, known for its high efficiency and sleek design. At number 3 is the SunPower Maxion 3. It has great performance and durability. Next, the Jinko Cheetah. It's a low-cost option that is of high quality. At number 5, we have the Canadian Solar Super High Power. It has excellent performance in harsh conditions. For our 6th pick, consider the Trina Solar Vertex series, known for its high power output. 7th on our list is the Qcells Q-Peak Duo G9, a reliable choice with impressive efficiency ratings. Next, the Longi Solar Hymo 4 series offers low-cost solutions for homes and businesses. For number 9, check out the Risen Energy Jaeger 250 MB series. It's ideal for residential installations. 10th is the Seraphim Blade. It is known for its technology and efficiency. Moving forward, we have the JA Solar Deep Blue 3.0, a solid performer at an affordable price point. At number 12, consider the Taliesin Power Premium series for reliable energy generation. The 13th is the GCL System Integration GCL P660 series. It provides good performance at a low cost. Next, the Hanwha Qcells Q-Peak Duo MLG9 promises high efficiency and durability. Ranked 15th, the Phono Solar Twin Plus is reliable and durable in all conditions.